This is Reece James. Cunha's shot goes wide to Reece James, into the crowd of players and into the back of the net from Tosin. But up goes the flag. Tosin has been judged in an onside position, but it has been checked, and the goal has been awarded. And Chelsea have the lead. Semedo. James in happy squeeze on the Spaniard in the Chelsea goal. They will want to. Well, certainly one of the tactical tweaks engineered by Vitor Pereira since Jose Sá went down injured. And Madueke's down foul. Situations such as this. In it comes from James. Take that, singer, Gary Barlow. Turned by Palmer, who's hacked. There's no other word for it by Andre. He will go into the book for that. Sarabia, Aït-Nouri, Chalobah there with the block, and the flag up on the far side anyway.
Well, at least it's a...
And the challenge was by Andre. Tony got the final touch! But Cunha's run a decoy, but not anymore. It's in by Cunha. Chelsea won, Wolves won. So Chelsea, 36 days now since their last Premier League win. Let's see, all out to Neto. Madueke. Emmanuel Agbadou, the January arrival, is in there.
Played it for a fair amount of time now.
Chalobah. Neto.
Would have found him with the ball.
For Strand Larsen. Shot about a Harry O'Neill wanted the same. Didn't quite get it in August. Madueke. Madueke manoeuvring in there. Free kick given away by Kiernan Dewsbury Hall. And by Sarabia, Doherty in by Madueke. Little touch by Dewsbury Hall. His 100th Premier League appearance pops up with a priceless goal. By Palmer, he thought about coming, and Madueke follows it in. Well, Madueke thinks he was the one who got it across the line and got the telling touch. Well, the important thing from Chelsea's point of view is that they have a two-goal cushion. It's a problem under Vitor Pereira. 19 playing centre-half, although he is a strong power.